We are Sorted, a group of mates from London exploring the newest and best in the world of food whilst trying to have a few laughs along the way. We've got chefs, we've got normals, and a whole world of stuff for you to explore, but everything we do starts with you.
Hello, I'm Barry and this is Jamie.
Now you keep suggesting themes and orders for us and pass it on, so we keep making them.
We should stop this soon, shouldn't we? Oh my God!
Oh, I'm panicking. Oh no.
It's amazing how stupid you've become.
This is a disaster.
Here we are. How's everyone else's day going? You having a nice time?
Are we mentally ready?
No.
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 Never mentally ready for these.
Janice!
Today's theme is vegan.
Yay!
Okay. All right.
Right, that's... Yep.
How about an order? All participants' names will go into a hat. The first person to go will be drawn now. At the end of their turn, they will draw the next person, and so on.
So it's still a surprise, but this time...
It's up to fate.
It's up to fate. Right, come on James, reach in. 3,
Oh no! Who's
2,
going first?
1, and the name is Mike.
No!
Again?
No, Mike.
Oh no!
That is devastating. One at a time, the boys have 10 minutes to cook and add to a final dish. The remaining team will have no idea what's happening behind them until it is their turn. Okay. What I'm thinking is, this is Romanesco. It's like cauliflower and it tastes amazing when roasted. I'm going to take these florets, put them on a baking sheet, cover them with olive oil and garlic and maybe some lemon juice or lemon zest and just roast it off. It'll probably need about 40 minutes. So I can just leave that going. I might put that next to it because, haha, Barry. And I'm also gonna try and start to make a hummus because I've got some chickpeas. Haven't got a dish in mind, so I'm just doing some stuff. I'm also gonna zhuzh up some garlic. I'm not gonna leave myself any time to do the hummus. What an idiot. I've already ruined this. No! That will do. Just gonna scatter garlic over the top of this. Mike's done a brilliant job. Well done, Mike. You got us up to a really strong start. Have an 8 out of 10. Thanks, guys. That's really appreciative. I'm glad that you appreciate my work. I thought about it a lot and I feel like I did a good thing for the team. It's probably a conversation that we're definitely gonna have. Right, that's going in the oven. Are these cooked? They are cooked, so I need to drain those. Oh man, this is a nightmare. Oh. So we need lemon juice. Oh no, I need some more garlic. It's amazing how stupid you've become. I'm gonna leave that there for Barry. He can decide what to do with that. I reckon that probably is like, hey, make a hummus. Probably. Not a strong start. Going to give myself 4.5. And now for the part that could make or break this video. It's James. Good luck, James. It's you.
Okay. Lemon juice, olive oil, chickpeas. I think he's hoping that I save it. Roasting off some cauliflower. What's that? That's garlic. Might need to take a trip to the table. Some toasted coconut sounds good. Oh, I don't know where I'm going with this. Is he trying to get me to make a hummus? And if he is trying to get me to make a hummus, then I usually would cook these on and get them hot, but I'm not going to be able to finish it in time. Got vegan yogurt, so I'm going to make a Harissa yogurt. So this is coconut yogurt, coconut-based yogurt. That is literally all I want to do, just marble it through. The reason I'm doing this is in a tin, the chickpeas are already cooked. Overcooked chickpeas make better hummus, so I like to cook them on a little bit. So what I'm going to do is start the hummus base, then hopefully the next person understands that the chickpeas get drained and they go into the hummus base. I don't actually have a dish in mind now, I'm just making hummus. I'm gonna get some carrots on the go and I'm gonna put harissa on them. So it's like roast them in the pan, really nice pan roasted carrots, lots of color with a little bit of spice to them. I think this might be a decent base for people. Oh, I hope I pick Ben. Or do I? I don't know. I don't know. I think I really moved it forward, so I'm gonna give myself a 7. I can't decide if I'm hoping for Ben or not. I know if I get Ben, he's gonna move things forward in the right direction, but I think if the other guys are presented with this to finish off, they're gonna panic. Jamie. Oh no. No. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? It's you.
Oh, hang on, let me just find the right track. Ah, there we go.
Is that a hummus? It's garlicky and spicy AF. In the fridge, it's an oven. This is harissa and coconut milk. Harissa and coconut milk. I don't know what the dish is. I'm gonna have a look at the table. Cool. We're cool. We're doing cool. You know what's really nice? Roasted chickpeas are really nice because they're crunchy. I'm going to drain those chickpeas and turn it from whatever they thought it was going to be into something else. Let's go for a teaspoon of garam masala, teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'm going to roast these chickpeas. They're going to add a really nice crunch to whatever it is that people decide to make. They're in there. What can I do in my last 3 minutes? If you're not sure why I'm doing this, here's why.
What does he want to do with this? What's he want to do with this? Janice, can you get me a blowtorch, please? Hard to improve this.
I don't know why somebody's blowtorched a red pepper.
But is anybody here, apart from you, saying that blowtorching was a bad idea?
We were a bit confused by it.
On the chefy side, we were just confused.
Oh my God!
Let's use this last 15 seconds to confuse Barry. Hopefully that's who I'll get. Done. So what would I give myself out of 10? 7.84. 7.85 if you round up.
And that, right there, is the reason that these videos are an absolute cluster.
Who is next? Who is next? Who is next? Yes! Yes! Let's go slap him around the face. Is it you? Is it you? Is it you, you? It begins with the B and it's you! Come on, go cook!
I don't want to.
Go cook!
All right. Oh, yes! That's taking the. What's this? Wow. That is a punchy hummus. Okay, flavours. There's so much going on. Okay, to me, it looks like we've got some sort of fusion warm salad thing going on. That's just. It needs another thing to bring it together, because nothing to bring it together yet. I need something sweet. I don't know where I'm going. Pears. So let's get these quartered. What I'm expecting is Ben to come in here, see the flavours, go, smart flavours. And he will start to compile a delicious fusion salad of sorts. Peps, salt. I need these charring quick, man, quick. I'll put a vinaigrette with this to give Ben the option. So extra virgin, this might not work, but let's give it a go. A dab of mustard. Okay, let's quickly flip these. You know, Ebbers is coming in there with a pretty sexy salad and maybe a fire alarm. We'll see. I'll be quick. Stop burning! All I've done is that, so probably a 4.
And he's still drawing the name when there's only Ben left.
Booze!
And now, a wave of positivity.
This is carnage. There's literally stuff everywhere. Warm chickpeas, far from baked or roasted, because they're not going to do that in that time. Something's gone askew with that. A dressing that's split. Panic. This is about to become my absolute favourite. A selection of dishes from all over the world. That's the great thing about small plates from awesome restaurants. I'll do 3. I don't know what to do with that. That's not right. What? This is a disaster. Right, I need some honey to correct that. Okay, this hummusy thing is very, very bitter, but similar kind of flavours. Date syrup. I was going to put honey in it, and then I thought, vegan. So I thought I was corrected. I'm going to go very, very simple. Seen this before. Okay, this is lightly charred with some of these carrots which are cooked. All I'm going to do here is celebrate a couple of flavours on each plate and hope for the best. I realise now what that was trying to be. It was trying to be a dressing. It didn't work. This is such a hodgepodge. I have no idea who contributed which bits. That's the scary thing in this particular one. 4 minutes left. I'm going to cry. This is a bit better with the date syrup. It's not ideal. It's got a kick. The date syrup helps, but it's far from perfect. This is the best thing we have. little crunch. So it's grilled pear, toasted almonds, and you want a little bit of pepperiness from some chive. 1 minute, I need something else to go on that. What I'm going to do in the last 30 seconds is the most pathetic thing that I'm almost ashamed of. I'm going to take the very final crispy bits off the bread. I wish I'd thought it earlier and toasted it. Three small plates from a kitchen of carnage. I'm not particularly proud of that. 6?
Does anyone apart from Ben have any idea what's going to be served?
Not clear.
Please.
Lift the...
Box.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What the f is that? I like the look of it.
I like the idea of 3 plates. I think that's a good
We've
idea.
got tapas.
This is decent. Yeah.
So we have some garlic roasted cauliflower with grilled pear, toasted almond, chickpea hummus with roasted chickpea, with some gorgeous bloomer crusts. And we have roasted carrots, charred pepper, and a tangy vinaigrette.
Don't.
Is that?
Don't.
Please tell me someone blowtorched that.
Don't.
Did you blow? Did you
No,
do
I
that?
didn't. I didn't.
Of course I did! Of course I did!
Don't give him that!
And I have to be honest, it brought some wonderful colour and flavour.
Well, I have to say, in the last 10 seconds, I've had a revelation.
What? Wait, what?
Because I came into the kitchen and then I saw some chickpeas boiling and I saw the mini chopper thing there with hummus in it. I probably don't know the best way to flavour, to balance the flavours of that.
So you saw a pan of chickpeas.
And I thought half of them have already gone into the hummus, and there's another half that are there boiling, and I'm not sure why they're there yet, but I'll make use of them.
That's all the chickpeas.
Yeah.
You roasted all of them.
Yeah.
You roasted all the chickpeas.
So that is just the base to the hummus with
Date syrup. So it's more like as I now know, it's more like a tahini puree.
Should we start plate by plate?
to start here.
Start here.
Try it. But it is not good.
Good hell.
Do you know what? I like it.
Didn't really do much to this other than a dressing, which has got a bit of a kick, but the rest is just roasted veg.
Nice.
Good carrots.
If someone brought that to the table with some crusty bread, as one of many dishes, that's not bad. And this one I'm hoping is going to be the nicest of the 3.
I enjoy that pear.
That pear, and that is a really good dish. Don't know what the hell you think you are.
I think some interesting combinations and small plates, but none of them are worth writing down.
Yep, Ebbers, what do you reckon? Do we pass or fail?
Pass, fail, fail, so it's a fail.
I'd say a close shave of a pass. Definite fail. I think it's overall still a fail.
That was great. That was good. The pepper made it. This needed more time and or work.
More chickpeas.
I'm going to say fail. I sat back down so happy. I'm gutted.
Do you want my opinion?
Yeah.
A miserable fail.
Yeah, it's going to be a fail from me. I gave myself a 4.5.
I gave myself a 7.
Completely forgotten.
Yeah, but
7.
It was actually a 6, but don't worry though, Janice will fix it in post.
Jay.
I gave myself, I rounded it up to 7.85.
Oh man. Do you agree? You just put us all out of our misery and put us also in order worst to best.
What was on fire?
Pears.
I think we made the most of that and all the veg.
Yeah, but speaking of veg, it's time for announcing our next book. To all you club members out there, our next book is going to be about vegetables. And fruits as well. And we need you to recommend all the vegetables and fruits we should be including in this book. We want to make vegetables the hero of this book.
Vegetables.
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 And don't forget, our offer is still running. If you sign up to an annual membership to the club, you get a free copy of our book, AM Menu, thrown in for free.
All the information is downstairs, and if you want to find out more about what the club's all about and what you get as a member, check it out.
That offer is only running till the 9th of June.
So be quick.
Quick.
Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. Oi!
Man walks into a library, says, "Oh, fish and chips, please." Librarian says, "Sorry, sir, this is a library." He went, "Oh, sorry, I'll have fish and chips, please."
Oh yeah, classic.
That's a classic, but it's stupid.
As we mentioned, we don't just make top quality YouTube videos. No. We've built the Sorted Club, where we use the best things we've learned to create stuff that's hopefully interesting and useful to other food lovers. Check it out if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in a few days.
I had a look in the oven and saw that there was the Romanesco in there, and I thought that's roasting fantastically. Had a look in the fridge, wasn't anything in there. But I thought I'd double check.